Hey squad, and welcome back to my channel. I hope that this finds you in wonderful, great, excellent spirits. I haven't done this in a while, so I want you to put this on pause, grab a reflective surface, look yourself in the mirror, tell yourself you're awesome, you're wonderful, you're an amazing human being, a wonderful individual, and just inhale and exhale. Okay? So, yeah, let's go ahead and get into this video. I'm going to insert on this side. Wait, no, wrong side. Yeah, this side. I'm going to insert the unboxing I did of this unit. I ran out of time this morning, so I didn't have a chance to really do a full-on video, but I did record me showing you the inside of the cap and the construction. And let me grab the card real quick. So, of course, it's on the unit that I'm currently wearing. And this is a Bobbi Boss. It's a lace front, extreme part, pre-pluck from forehead to nape, dual styling because you can unravel the braids for big glam curls. It's their designer mix, which is 100% human hair blend, and this is in the style MBLF 230 Sauna, and I have her in the color TT1B2730. Okay, this is a stock card right here. And then this is the back, so you get to see her braided and unbraided. So I don't know if I show this in the clip, but she has two combs in the back. So because she has the middle parting from front to back, she has two combs instead of that giant one. Insert those, and then two combs on the side. So let me give you 360 real quick. So this is of course me to the front. This is me to the right. And then to the left. And I know y'all want to see that back. I don't know what the back looks like. My mom says it looks pretty good. So y'all let me know. Or I'll get to see. I'll get to see once I, view this video. So what do I think? So I've worn her all day. So I've had her on for almost 12 hours. So I've had her on for 12 hours. Overall, I do like the concept of the unit. I think it's really cool for people like myself who don't know how to braid hair. This is your unit. It's already braided for you. It's pre-plucked. You don't have to, I didn't pluck anything on this unit. Okay. I did add some powder. I was running late, so I didn't really put her on at home. I put her on while I was in the parking lot at my job. And I didn't have my makeup with me, so I couldn't put concealer or any foundation. So I know you can see the wig cap peeking through. I only had one powder with me, and the powder wasn't the one I normally use to put in my parting, so excuse that. So either you can take your wig cap off, or you can put your foundation under, or concealer, powder, whatever you use on top, the one that works for you, unlike myself. But yeah, anyway, so you don't do anything to the parting space. Now, is she big head friendly? She's big head friendly-ish. So I don't know if you can see on camera because I bobby pinned the edges down so they wouldn't peek up, but this is the edge right here. I don't know if that, where's the lace? I have my glasses on, sorry guys, but there's a lace right there. Okay, so what I did, you probably can see this one better. So what I did is I kind of pulled a little bit of the some of the strands of the hair on the side. I pulled them out a little bit away from the braid, so then I could cover up that lace, because if you don't do that, you're going to see it if you have a big head like myself. It doesn't come with baby hairs. I don't believe it didn't say it came with baby hairs. No, because she doesn't. She's using her own baby hair, so she did pull the unit further back so that way she can pull out more of her baby hairs. So that's kind of what I did. This is my baby hairs with a little bit of the wispies of the hair itself, just to get that better blend, since it's not big head friendly enough to where it's going to come all the way down here on myself. If you don't have a big head, you don't have to worry about them problems. She's just like a normal unit. Just, bring her down here, and you probably don't need any baby hairs, maybe a little bit of powder to conceal the lace, and that's it. What else? Okay, so she did not start off with all this coming out. This is, like I said, after me wearing her for 12 hours. So because it looks like they put layers into her, when you braid up layered hair, pieces come out. Okay, so to prevent that, you might be able to spray her down with some hairspray, and that might keep the hair from unraveling. But it's like all the layered pieces kind of come out once you wear her. And then I don't know how other pieces, like I'm not sure how this one came out of there. So you see that? I don't know if you can see that on camera, that long string. So I just kind of wrapped it right back around. And I tried like tucking the pieces that were coming away from the braid. I tried to tuck those kind of back in there. So the con to that is I've only worn her for one day and she's kind of some pieces are unraveling. The plus side to it is it adds to it looking like more like your natural hair, right? Because oh, it's not a perfect braid, that must be her hair, the wispies are coming out, you know what I mean? I did get a lot of compliments on her. Customers really thought I straightened my hair and braided it. And I'm like, these are repeat customers, not new customers. I'm like, now you know darn well my hair is not this color, but you know, people who don't know about wigs, they don't know any better. So they think it's just my hair blown out and I guess I straightened it. I don't know what they're thinking. But I was like, okay. But I like the compliment. My mom was like, is that, you know, Mom? I was like, come on, Mom. You know darn well what color my hair is. But again, it's a compliment. That means this unit looks very natural, you guys. Oh, there are baby hairs in the back, and I believe I do show those. I did show those in the video. So that's good. So there's lace in the back, and I did show that. So you have to cut the lace off, and then you cut the lace off in the front. What else can I tell you about this unit? I mean, the hair feels soft because, you know, you can at least feel this part down here. It has a natural luster to it, and it feels silky. So she doesn't, try to make sure, guys. Silky, maybe a little bit of yucky in there, but she's more silky than she is leaning towards like a silky yucky. So hopefully that description helps. I was thinking about maybe like maybe after a while I might like undo her all the way up to here and just have like the bushy, not bushy, but like a fuller, I'm trying to say, guys, like the fuller ends. You know that style where you see people, they braid their hair and they stop it about here and they have like this full bushy curly ends. I'm thinking I might do that with her. These are, I just put these on to cover, but what it is this is the rubber band she comes with, and I just put those little braid clips, clasps, whatever the technical term is for them on the ends. You don't have to do that. You can not. As far as like additional styling, I mean, you could kind of, you know, if you want, wrap her up in like 2 little buns. So that is an additional styling you can do. So, you know, do that. That's cute. I just didn't want to mess with her too much because of that unraveling. So there's Sana and I can't, or Sana, how you want to pronounce her. I cannot remember the other one, but there's another braided one. And she's like, if you can see, Sana's more wavy. And the other one, she's more curly. So if you prefer like the curly texture, then you might want to get the other one. But I like the waves on Sana. So that's why I went ahead and went with her. She doesn't come in a lot of colors. She does have your typical natural colors. And then she comes in the all blonde. On my update, I might come back and let her wear her down. So that's what I might do on my update on her, so you can see what she looks like fully unraveled. But I like the way she looks right now, so I really don't want to take her down. So hope you guys understand that. And if you have any questions, leave them down below. Let me know what you think. Do you like the pre-braided units? Do you like to braid stuff yourself? You know, for me, I'm happy she comes braided. That's why I got hers, because this is something different. I do like her. I do like her, guys. I really do like her. Just unraveling. But other than that, I think she's really cute. Great for the summer, because it was like almost 80 degrees today in Houston. So this is a great summer style. I mean, you can do braids any time of the year, but with this heat about to be in full force, definitely get the hair off your neck and braid it up and do ponytails and whatever you want to do. Okay, guys, let me hop off of here And don't forget to subscribe if you're watching this the first time to my channel. Welcome to my channel. Welcome all the new subbies. Hello to all my squad that has already been subscribed to me and has been loyal supporters to me that I greatly appreciate. Also, everyone watching this, thank you. Thank you for taking the time to watch this, and let me know in the comments down below what you think of her. And if you're not subscribed, subscribe. It's free. You can subscribe while you're watching this right now. And then when you're done with that, you're just going to move right directly over and click the bell so you can get notifications on when a new video is headed your way, because I'm about to record another one back to back. We're in the same outfit and makeup, so I'm not going to upload them back to back though. So you gotta hit that notification so you know when that next one's coming up, because it is another Bobbi Boss unit that they just dropped. Oh, and I got this from Go Beauty NY. First time I ordered from them. Really great shipping. Got it pretty, not as quickly as, also in New York. Not as fast as Wig Types. But still took about, with the holiday, it took about 4 days to get to me. So not bad. Didn't take like weeks. Okay, I really am hopping off this time. I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Post up, round in it, flossing on it. This diamond, my diamond, this rock.